Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to import reviews from Cj Dropshipping to Shopify. So let's get started. For that, we can use an application that's Editorify. Now first finish the installation process. Make sure that you're using the Google Chrome browser and then install the Editorify Chrome extension by clicking on the Install Now button. Click on the Add to Chrome button and then click on the Add Extension button. Once the installation process is complete, you will be redirected automatically back to the Editorify dashboard. Click on the Chrome Extension Manager icon, find the Editorify app and make sure that the pin next to it is selected. Otherwise the Editorify extension won't show up at the extension bar. Okay, so now we are ready to start importing reviews. Visit the product page you would like to import the reviews from and then click on Editorify extension icon. Select the reviews you would like to import. You can select some of the reviews or you can select to import all reviews. You can also edit and change each one of the reviews. Scroll down. If the product page contains a video, it will appear in this section and you can select to import the video as well. Now scroll down and select the Shopify product from the list you would like to import the reviews and video. To click on the Import Now button and wait while Editorify imports the reviews and the video. Now click on the view link to view the product page. Okay, so that's a product page and we can see here 10 reviews. Let's scroll down a bit. Here's a video and the reviews. So this works with both. I have worked it with AliExpress here, but this works also with Cj Dropshipping. So that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching.